Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. We had a very restful stay there in Brookings at the Elks. And we're heading south. And we only had 5 miles to do here to get to California. Border should be coming up. Here we go. We are officially back in California. That's it. What a gorgeous, beautiful trip that was, all the way up through Washington State, Oregon. I mean, I have memories forever from those places. This is the 101 South. We're going to be seeing some big trees according to Google Maps. I drove this road like in 1983, which is like 33 years ago. Really don't remember it, tiny bit. But that was a different time. Wasn't really paying attention to scenery. This time I am. So let's enjoy it. Okay, the first big town we're going to come up to is Crescent City. It's up in the very northern part of California. It is a little port town. Check it out. A little blue sky too. Hey, hopefully we won't have all the fog. Welcome to Crescent City. This is it here. I really like these coastal towns. The buildings are all the same. They're old towns. Been around forever. Get on the other side of town here. I'm gonna find a place to stop and give Scoobs a break, and I'll be back. Okay, well this is kind of cool. This is the port of Crescent City, and they got a huge park here. So this is absolutely perfect. I'm gonna pull in here, walk Scoobs, and maybe grab a couple pictures. Wow, this is a nice new harbor here. Look at that. Big wide slips. All small commercial fishing boats too. Hey, look, there's one coming in. They were out catching probably salmon or tuna or something. Isn't that cool? Pulling right in for the day. Alright, time to hit the road. Well, that was absolutely a perfect place to stop. Right on. Okay, let's head south. I think we follow the coast, and we're going to cut back inland into national forest. Okay, the sign said National, Redwood National and State Parks. Well, that's cool. Oh yeah, look at the trees. Wow, man, those things are big. Holy moly. Whoa. Look at them things. Kind of slow through here. It's about like between 30 and 40 mile an hour speed limits, but who cares? Look at them things. Those are beautiful. They're even blocking out my satellite radio. Okay, this is great. They even named this highway the Redwood Highway. That's pretty fitting. Alrighty. Wonder how old these trees are to get this big. They gotta be in the hundreds of years. Oh, I see fog. That means we're getting closer to the coast. Well, that was just way too cool driving through there. Wish I had more time. I would have made a few stops. There's a lot of campgrounds. There's an RV park right there on the right. Okay, picking up the pace a little bit. Road's better now. We're out of the big forest. Okay, we're getting in the area of Klamath, California. Their forest, and I think their town isn't too far up the road here. When I get in town, I need to get some fuel, take a break, grab a cup of coffee, and I'll be back. Alrighty, all fueled up. There was really no place to walk Scoobs. I'm gonna go up the road, Look at the fog, so we're getting close to water here. I'll find something. Oh, this is a nice picnic area. Pull off. If you can see it. Look at the fog. But you can sure hear the ocean. I think I'm going to walk down there and we'll at least get to listen to it. Nice little beach. Well, I gotta keep getting on down the road. Check out these birds, they're swooping. Thought one was gonna land on my head a minute ago. Look at them things. Isn't that cool? Like that old movie where it was in a coastal town, The Birds. Alrighty, enough of that. We're heading south. Next stop is going to be Eureka. That's our goal today. Well, here's a few brave souls off checking out the water. A couple of them are up on that cliff. What a pretty drive though. It's this 101, take it. If you ever get a chance, drive it. A few more big redwoods. Alrighty, we're getting real close to Eureka. This will be our destination for the day. One thing about driving 101, that's a slow road. We've done a little over 100 miles, but it takes a while. And instantly there's blue sky. That just amazes me. Look at them trees. I think they're cypress. Really looks cool. Alright, welcome to the big town of Eureka, California. And this is a good sized town. Don't quote me, I think Eureka is the biggest on the North California coast. Crescent City was good size, but that's all I know. Fort Bragg might be too. The 101 cuts straight through town here. There's no getting around it. Okay, we're gonna head out to the south end of town. Find us a place to stay for the night. And I know everybody's been sitting on the edge of their seats wondering where we're gonna stay. Well, guess what? Welcome to the Eureka Elks Lodge. Hey, they got over 20 sites here. It's a beautiful little RV park and a nice lodge. The reviews on it's really, really good. Well, we made it back to California, so we're gonna camp out here. Hey, this is Russ signing off now. I hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk to you soon.